Hello, hello, hello. So today I got a package from one and only Bobby Dior, who had kindly offered to send me something. I'm not going to reveal it right away. So first of all, something came in this one. This is not the main thing, but it is kind of part of the thing, if I say it correctly. And I was like, oh my god, I've never seen a Chanel pouch like this. I have never seen it before. I don't know if it's kind of raised, this one. And then inside the pouch, very cute, inside the pouch, carefully wrapped. This is one of those, so it says Chanel-Parfum here. And it's the tuberose side. It's gorgeous, and I will put it in with my rest of the Chanel display. Thank you very much. Now getting to the main thing, and look at this. He's packaged it, and he put the, I don't know how you managed to put this in here, but there's some, I don't know how you managed to put this in here, but he has put this in. It's almost like it came from the company. Very nice. Thank you. It says for Mitra. Thank you. And let's open this one and see what it is. Oops. I'm gonna try to. All right. And here's some. Oh, there's like layers. Oh, look at that. And there's another Chanel pouch. I really like this attention to detail. And all these, you know, the little trinkets, the Chanel trinkets. Since they have been getting really stingy with just giving out like the trinkets and things like that. So I really appreciate that. And that whole thing is, he has offered me for nothing. Thank you very much. And it comes inside, carefully packaged. There's something else. I'm gonna open this up too and see what is this whole thing about. And here inside, here we have one and only special release of Chanel No. 5 in the red bottle. And I am very excited to have this one in my collection. I really like to use the special releases, and I did miss out on the red one. And Bobby very graciously offered to send me this one. I didn't ask for it. He insisted, and he sent it. He didn't let me even pay for the shipping. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. And I think that's it in the packaging. The package arrived all well, and you guys have a great day. Bye.